It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good morning, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, I came up with one more the best question series. Today is 54th question of the day. And again, today I'll explain you some basic concepts of the theorems and how they are derived so that you can use them effectively to solve the questions regarding in your GATE ESE, because on this topics there are little bit more frequent questions there, right? Okay, so we will solve all those questions there. Before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma and my best CAT score was 99.83 in 2011, and these are my credentials. Right? Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you'll get 10% discount and you'll get guidance of all these subjects from me. Now, why me? I'm ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and ESE and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. Many students were asking me, sir, what is the difference between plus and iconic and what are the advantages when I choose iconic over plus? One such greatest advantage in iconic is you will be assigned with a personal coach exclusively. How this coach will be helpful? Now, you will be getting one-to-one live mentorship program with your coach and your educator so that you can speak with them personally about your difficulties facing, where you will get best solutions to overcome that. One more greatest advantage, personalized test analysis and guidance. Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes are identified, and those mistakes are rectified, automatically your score will be boosted. This is what students need right now, right? Of course, you can get sources anywhere on YouTube, on many platforms, but so feedback, right? So where you are doing mistake, that mistake rectification should be done in order to be on a very good rank there, right? Okay, most of the students complain me this, sir, we have done the entire syllabus but we are not able to apply the things, we are not able to solve the questions there. This is where your coach will be helpful, damn sure. Of course, whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also. These are the features of plus and iconic. How much you have to invest? If you are choosing plus and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 75 rupees per day, the lowest. But this is the normal price which we offer you. But today, tomorrow, right, we have extended this offer up to July 31st 11:59 p.m. It is not 75 rupees per day, it is 65 rupees per day. And again, see here, when you closely observe there, 2 years ka subscription price is 53,737 after discount when you use my code NLN10 normally. But right now it is, so see here, you will be getting 47,766 rupees, right? And again, you will be getting 6 months for extension free, right? So you will be getting flat 20% discount and you will be getting free 6 months extension, and you are beating the price hike. So those who are serious to join, this is high time. So focus on this 5 months, get a best rank, join the best quality courses right now available in India, right? I can damn surely say these are the quality courses at a very amicable price you get, right? So for 6 months you will be getting 1 month extension, for 12 months you will be getting 3 months, for 18 and 24 you will be getting 6 months extension, right? So do try to utilize this offer there. And of course, these are the normal prices for iconic. On this prices you will be getting flat 20% discount and also 6 months extension free, and you will be getting notes prepared by topmost educators in India, right? Physical notes, printed notes will be delivered to you, and also the features which I have explained you in the previous slide, right? So this is the thing there. And again, if you want to buy GATE printed notes for your preparation, right, yes, it is available for existing plus and iconic subscribers, right? And you will be getting flat 20% discount when you use my code NLN10. So do try to use this, right? I know how rigorously we have prepared this textbooks, right? Because I am part of this. So do try to utilize this offer, right? And buy the printed notes there. Okay. Chalo, let's start our discussion here. Yes. Now, this is what students asked me right in the previous class, right? So, what is Stewart's theorem? You have given the theorem there, but can you explain a little bit elaboratively? So, first of all, I'll take a triangle there. So today little bit there will be theory part ma. So focus on this. If we can understand this, then we can make much more things very easier, right? So there is a triangle there like this. We're taking down the triangle's vertices as A, C. Now you know what is median, you know what is perpendicular, you know what is angle bisector. But see here, I have dropped a line segment from A to BC line segment. And this line segment is D. Do you know what is this line segment? Is it median? No, it is not median, because if it is median, it divides the base into 2 equal halves. I cannot decide this. If it is perpendicular, it will make 90 degrees with the base, but I don't know whether it is perpendicular. Is it angle bisector? If it is angle bisector, it should divide the angle at vertex A into 2 equal halves. No, I cannot judge it because I didn't give you any data. So such kind of things. Now see, what is this line segment called? This line segment is called CVN. So based upon the line segment, then the CVN will be converted to perpendicular, angle bisector, median, whatsoever, depending upon the conditions. So I have to find out this D value right now. Chalo, what I will do is I will be taking down this as height. So for my consideration, right? Let's take for my consideration. So this I will take down as height. Height means which will make 90 degrees. I don't know this. Exactly, don't consider the shape, right? Consider the process there. I will be taking down this as H. I will be taking down this line segment value as C. I will be taking down this line segment as B. I will be taking down this line segment as A. Now closely observe there, AD line segment divided this BC into two parts. I don't know whether it is equally or unequally. I will take down this D parts as MN. Okay. Now I will take down this AE. E has nothing but altitude, height. Now. So I will take down this ED length as some X. X done. Chalo. Now I will solve one by one. Observe triangle only AED. I'll write down here. Observe triangle only AED. So perpendicular sides H square plus X square is nothing but equal to D square. Let us suppose. Now I will take down one more triangle. Observe triangle ABE. Triangle ABE perpendicular sides bolo beta. So C is hypotenuse. C square is equal to H square plus. Now dekho B value is how much? From M I have to remove X. Am I right or wrong? I will be removing X. M minus X whole square. Similarly, I write down in blacking. Observe triangle AEC. Triangle AEC. Triangle AEC per hypotenuse is B square. Now how much is EC value? EC value is N. EC value is X. N plus X. So H square plus N plus X whole square. So I will write down this there. Dekho. So C square is equal to H square plus M square plus X square minus 2mx. Now B square is nothing but equal to, I'm elaborating the second equation also, H square plus N square plus X square plus 2nx. Now I will, what I will do is, I will be, so dekho there, observe this H plus X square, here H plus X square, H square plus X square, is it nothing but called D square? So can I write down the same thing like this? C square is equal to H square plus X square, in that place I will write down D square plus M square minus 2mx. Now next one, B square is equal to D square again plus N square plus 2nx. I will solve these two equations. Sir, how will you solve these two equations? Let's suppose take, right? So I will do like this. I will multiply this equation with N. I will multiply this equation with M. Then I will add it. Okay. So if I add it, so 2nmx will get cancelled off. So finally the equation will become C square N plus B square M is equal to D square plus D square will be 2D square. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? So how can I do this? No sir, D square N ma, D square N, D square M. So automatically D square will be common and this will be M plus N. Am I right? This is what, right? Plus, right? Now observe there, M square N, M N square. So what can I do? I will do like this, right? I will take down M common here. So in the first equation, then what will be left over? Mn will be left over, right? I will take down Mn here, Mn here. What will be left over here? M will be left over, N will be left over. Done. Aram se do it. This is your Stewart's theorem, right? I'll write on the next slide there. C square n plus b square m is equal to b square into m plus n plus m into n into m plus n. So write down little bit clumsy, m plus n. Done. Now observe here. Can I write down this to remember easily? C and C plus BMB. Now everybody know what is m plus n ma? M plus n is nothing but equal to A. So can I write down this as DAD? DAD DAD. Can I write down this as m plus n is A na? Man, MAN. This is my Stewart's theorem. Now from this Stewart's theorem only, Apollonius theorem is extracted. All our internal angle bisector theorem properties will be extracted. All these things will be done. Now see here, I will show you how Apollonius theorem is extracted from this, right? So a little glimpse, right? So within 1 minute, I will complete this. So I'll take a triangle here. Same triangle, right? I know that this is median. Till now, I don't know this is median. So this is median. A, B, C, D. Now this line segment is C, this line segment is B, and likewise this line segment is D, this line segment value is A. Now see here, as it is median, it divides the base into two equal halves. So my M and N value will be equal. Am I right or wrong? Now closely observe there, C and C. Let us take down unitary value there. So what will be happening there? C square. C and M are same na, so M is equal to N na here. As it is median, M is equal to N. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly done. Now closely observe there, this is 1, this is 1, and A value will be 2. Am I right or wrong? This value will be 2. So finally, can I write down this as C square plus B square is equal to, now D, A value will be how much? M plus N 2 na, so I can take 2 common outside there. D square. Now here 2, yes, and this is m into n. M into n is nothing but called BD square or DC square. M into n, M into n, M into n, BD square. BD 2 times or DC 2 times. Am I right or wrong? Because m is equal to n na. Is this nothing but called your Apollonius theorem? This is how your Apollonius theorem is extracted. Done. So this is what I have taken some questions in the previous session there. So Stewart's theorem will be damn helpful for you to solve the questions fatafat and easily here later on also. You don't need to remember all those secondary theorems which were derived from Stewart's theorem. You can directly use this there. So one more theorem is there which is called Siva's theorem there. So how you know that your median will divide the centroid into, centroid will divide the median into 2:1 ratio. How can you say this? So I will take down the one triangle again there, 1 second. Now these are the line segments. Now see again, I don't know beta whether it is median or not. Mayank Bishwas, बोलो आपकी डाउट क्या था? What is your question? Even now also, I don't know about what is AD. Is it median? Is it perpendicular? Is it angular bisector? I don't know, because I didn't give any data there. Now I can say only one point: AD line segment, BE line segment, CF line segment intersected at a point called O. Now this is called O. Now everybody know, as I don't know whether I can decide it, I don't know in a position to decide whether it is median or not, I can say these are called CVNs. Now we have a theorem called Siva's theorem. How many of you know this? If you are an IIT aspirant in your primary school tier, you might have seen this theorem there in your mathematics. Siva's theorem. I'll prove it, right? The Siva's theorem is based on basic triangle properties only, right? Not such hyperbolic properties there. Now you know I can say one point: AD, comma BE, comma CF They are concurrent. How can you say they are concurrent? Because all these three line segments are passing through same point. Right? When can you say these line segments are concurrent? If they all pass through same point. Yes, if they all pass through same point. Done. Right. Chal. We have a property here. If two triangles have common height, then the areas of the triangles will be based on the ratio of their bases. Or otherwise, if two triangles have same base, and the areas of the triangles will be dependent on the ratio of their heights. These two things I can damn surely write down this. Am I right or wrong? Yes, this is the property we know previously. Now observe there. Area of the triangle. Area of the triangle, observe there. So I'll be writing down like this. So see here, observe area of triangle BOD DOC. This is D ma, not O. DOC. These two triangles have same height and they reside and they divide the base on BDDC. The ratios will be like this. Area of triangle ABD area of triangle ADC. Sorry. Triangle. So. I'll write down like this. Please. Triangle AOB. Sorry. 1 second, beta. BOD. 1 second. Triangle BOD. And area of triangle DOC. Daily class will be there, no matter. DOC. Now closely observe there. These two triangles will be, देखो बेटा, BD by DC. Done. Now let me know same thing. I'll write down the same thing. Now BD-DC bases will be having for the same thing there, triangle ABD and triangle ADC also have same height, and the areas of these triangles will be on the ratio of BDDC. Will you accept with me? I'll write down a little bit neatly there, beta. 1 second. Yes, triangle ABD divided by triangle ADC. Done. Perfectly done. So see here, we have a simple property in ratios, beta. Now see here, I will be taking down a ratio A by B is equal to C by D. These are in proportion. Because see, this is the condition now. A is to B is in proportion to C is to D. So I can write down this. Now closely observe there. You take down any random number there. I will take down A as 4. I will take down B as 2. Now these are in proportion. I will take down C as 8. I will take down D as 4. Now these things are in proportion for sure. Now I can write down the same thing like this also. A minus C divided by B minus D will also have same ratio. अब देखो 1:1. अब देखो A minus C कितना था? 4 minus 8 is minus 4. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Again I got 2:1 only. I will be getting 2:1 only. I will use the same relationship here also to find out the same thing. These two are similar. Proportionate. Am I right or wrong? BOD, DOC, ABD, ADC are proportionate. So can I write down like this? Triangle ABD minus triangle BOD divided by triangle ADC minus triangle DOC. Right? Yes, I can write down the same format, and this will be residing on the same basis BD by DC. BD by DC. Now closely observe there. I'll write down in blacking. Triangle ABD is this one. Huh? You have removed triangle BOD. What is left over? AOB is left over. Am I right or wrong? AOB is left over divided by. Now here also in triangle ADC, आपने DOC निकाल दिया. AOC is left over. AOC is left over. Am I right? Yes, AOC is left over. Is nothing but equal to BD by DC. Done. Yes. Now I will use the same concept with this CVN also. B. I used the concept with AD CVN. Similarly, I have to use for the remaining CVNs also. See closely, you observe there. I will be taking down BE CVN. If I take down BE CVN, triangle ABE, triangle BEC, I'll write down in the next slide. Area of triangle ABE divided by area of triangle BEC is equal to, they reside on the base, right? The areas will be in the ratio of AE by EC. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly, AE by EC. Now in that case, now observe there, I am writing down in the same pattern there. Now see here, AOE. Am I right or wrong? AOE also having same proportionate basis. AOE divided by, now observe there, this is how much COE? Done. Now see again, I'll do the same ratio technique there and I'll find out the answer there. Now closely observe there. In ABE, I will be removing AOE. What is the leftover thing? ABO will be left over. Am I right or wrong? Yes. ABO will be left. I am writing down it directly to understand for you. ABO. Similarly, what will be left over here? Observe, this is triangle BEC. आपने OEC निकाल दिया. What will be left over there? BOC will be left over. Am I right or wrong? BOC or COE? This is the triangle, what is the thing? BOC will be left over. Perfectly done. BOC is left over. It is nothing but equal to AE by EC. Now similarly, I will be taking on directly with CF. Now see, this is nothing but with BE altitude. This is nothing but with AD altitude. This is nothing but with AD altitude, what I have written there. So finally, I'll write down with the CF altitude also. Now, can I write down directly there? I'll write down directly. Ab dekho, see here, CF na. AFC is the triangle na. In this, what will you remove there? AOF will be removed. So what will be left over? AOC will be left over. So I'm writing down directly AOC divided by again BOC will be left over, and which is nothing but equal to, and the areas of the triangles will be on the ratio of AOFP, AFFP. Done. So I'll club all those things. First point. What is the first point? AOB by AOC. I'll club those. AOB by AOC. Now I'll little bit twist it. I'll write down this as BOC by ABO or ABO, both are same, into. Now I'll write down this one, AOC divided by BOC, which is nothing but equal to, so see here, what is this value here? BD by DC. BD by DC. I have reversed it now, so I have to write down this as EC by AE. Now into, now closely observe there, AF by FB. Then finally you closely observe there, what will be this value there? AOB gets cancelled, AOC gets cancelled, BOC gets cancelled. Now automatically what will be this value? This is called equal to 1. This is nothing but called your Siva's theorem. Done. perfectly. And I can use the same concept to solve. So in this way only, now this O point is called centroid. When it is called centroid, when it is an intersecting point of all medians, when it is called circumcenter, right? Am I right? Or when it is called incenter, all the intersecting points of angular bisectors is nothing but called incenter, circumcenter, perpendicular bisectors. Am I right or wrong? So by this only, by Siva's theorem only, the next theorems will be extracted. I hope so. I am clear regarding this, right? Yes, perfectly clear. So these two theorems. So next theorem is Menela's theorem. I will explain you little bit later, right? We will solve 2 to 3 questions and then we will come back and then we will solve these questions there. Now I will solve this question beta. Next question you have to solve for me. Done. Now observe the question carefully. In a square JKLM, same property what we have discussed in the previous slides, I will use the same property. In a square JKLM, P and Q are the midpoints. P and Q are the midpoints, okay, of JK and LM as shown in the adjoining figure. O is the point of intersection of the diagonals JL and KM. Right? So point of intersection of the diagonals JL and KM, right? Then while N is the point of intersection of JO and PM, it seems. If the area of the triangle PON is given as 1, ab dekho, area of this triangle is given as 1, it seems. We know one property. How many of you know, even in a similar triangles, area of the triangles will be in the ratio of side squares. Am I right or wrong? Their side squares. Right? Now closely observe there. Now this area is 1. Now you closely observe there, triangle JNM and triangle PON are similar triangles. How can you say this, sir? Now see here, vertically opposite angles are same. By this I can say 1 point there, and you closely you flip this JON, so this will be having similar, right, proportionate sides. Let us suppose that this is exactly midpoint, ma. Am I right or wrong? This is exactly midpoint. If the side 1 is 1 here and the side will be 2 here, if it is 1 here, it will be half here, whatsoever. Am I right or wrong? By this what can I say? If sides are 1, 2, areas will be 1:4 square, 1:4. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Whatsoever, it will be double. So if this is 1, area of JNM will be how much? 4. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly done. These are side lengths, ma. I am taking down like this for the consideration. For the consideration only I am taking down this. Now closely observe there. Similarly, observe triangle JOP and JNM. They have a common side. They have a common side called JO. So automatically their areas will be in the ratio of their sides. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know, yes or no. If this is 4, automatically what will be the area here? Can anybody say? Now see here, these two triangles also having same thing, right? Same side, right? So the areas, so the areas will be again double now. 1:2 ratio only na. 1:2 ratio only. If this is 1, automatically this will be 2. So this will also be 2. This will also be 2. This will be 1. This will be 1. Am I right or wrong? So what will be this area? This area will be 2. Will you accept with me regarding this? Perfectly done. Now how much will be this? If this is 1, this will be 2. They are residing on the same sides. Now areas. Done. Now what will be this area? Now closely observe there. Now 1 plus 2, JOP is nothing but OMQ. This will be 3 only. This 3, this will also be 3. This complete value is 6. This will also be 6. Now see here, this will be 3 and this will also be 3. And this will also be 3. Finally, I got all the values perfectly. Am I right or wrong? Shall we go with the answers there? What is area of triangle MON? ON is 2. Triangle POJ is 3. Triangle KOL is nothing but 3, 2, 5, 6. Am I right or wrong? Yes, 6. JKLM pura add karo 3, 3, 6, 12, 12, 12, 24 will be the answer there. JNM is 4. JOQM. What will be this? 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2, 9. Is the answer there? Finally, I've done it perfectly. Done it exactly right. Chalo. Let's go for the next question. Now let us see how many can answer this. It's an easy question which was asked in previous examination also. Try this. It was 20. In the quadrilateral JKLM shown alongside, JL is perpendicular to KM. Already it is given in the diagram itself. If the areas of the triangular regions JOM. So this is the area of the triangular region. So what is this area? Half into perpendicular sides only na. Half into JO into OM is nothing but equal to how much? It is given as 12. Okay. Now at JOK, now this is the area of the triangular region. Half into JO into OK is nothing but given as 9. Okay, fine. Any other point here? KOL. This is KOL. Area of this triangular region is half into KO into OL is nothing but given as 15. Now what is the question? Find the area of triangle MOL. This is the question asked. Am I right or wrong? So see here, what I will do is, I'll write down like this. Half into JO into OM. So can I write down? I'll write down. So I'll write down JO into OM. How much will be JO into OM? JO into OM will be 24. Then only it becomes half into 12. JO into OM into KO into OL will be how much? KO into OL will be equal to 30 divided by, right, JO into OK. JO into OK is nothing but equal to 18. So 18, I'll write down here, ma. So finally I'll write down also here. This is JO into OM will be 24. This will be 30. Now see here, JO gets cancelled. KO gets cancelled. What will be left over? OM into OL will be left over. I can write down like this. 6 3s are 6 5s are 3 1s are 3 8s are 8 5s are 40. So what is left over here? MO into OL is left over. MO into OL is nothing but equal to 40. Now I want half into MO into OL, which will be equal to 20. Am I right or wrong? My answer will be 20 and the option number 2. Perfectly done. Now let's go for the next question here. Yes, I want you guys to try the first question. Next question I will explain you here. Of course, if you do the first question, next question will be very, very easy. Any answer for this? Nobody. Ask what's your answer there? A regular pentagon it seems. All the sides are equal. Has side lengths of 1 centimeter. Let's suppose AB is also a side of pentagon. Na? I'll take down as 1 here. Sides AB and DC are extended to meet in a point called F. Okay. Shown in the figure. HG is parallel to BC. Okay. HG is parallel to BC it seems. Okay, chalo. Such that it meets the side BA and CD extended G and H respectively it seems. Which of the following is true is the question asked. So angle AEB. First of all, what is angle AEB? Right. So this is angle AEB. Okay. What is the other point given there? Angle GEA it seems. Angle GEA. GEA is matlab A wala na? Okay. Angle DEH. Angle DEH means this one is angle DEH. ECD. ECD matlab, is this ECD? So I have to find out all the angles here first of all. I'll find out all the angles first of all. Okay. ECD. Now everybody know pentagon. What is the sum of the angles of a pentagon? So 3 triangles can be formed. 3 n minus 2 into 180 will be the sum. N minus 2 into 180 will be the sum. N value is 5. 5 minus 180 into 3. 180 into 3 divided by 5. Because 5 sides, each side angle. 5 1s are 5. Oh, no. 5 3s are 15. 5 6s are. Am I right or wrong? 5 3s are see 108. So each angle is 108. Now I can write down like this. If this is 108, Sum of the adjacent angles will be 180. Now this will be how much? Will be 72 degrees. Yes, it will be 72 degrees. And now you closely observe that triangle AEB. Triangle AEB. AE is 1, AB is 1. Is this an isosceles triangle? Perfectly, it is an isosceles triangle. So automatically angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. Now see here, this is total will be 72. Now this will be 36 degrees and this will be 36 degrees because same angles now. Okay, fine. And again you closely observe that this total sum must be 108. Now this must be 72 perfectly. Understand, it will not be 108. Again, up they go. Our एक point था. Right. Now you closely observe there any other point that I have missed out there. Now see here, this angle will be 108. Done. Now closely, if this is 108, again these is an isosceles triangle EDC. Angles opposite will be equal there. Now this will be total 672. This has to be 36. This has to be 36. If this has to be 36, this has to be 72. Now closely observe there. This total has to be 108. 36 plus 36 is 72, and this has to be 36 degrees. Now see, sum of the adjacent angles must be 180, and this has to be 72 degrees. Will you accept with me regarding this? Perfectly done. Now see here, sum of this complete angle must be 180. 76, 36 plus 72 is 108. This will be 72. Now this will also be 72. If this is 72, how much will be this one? This will also be 72 degrees. Oh, am I right? Yes, 72 degrees. So it is an equilateral triangle there. I hope so. I am clear regarding this. Any other angles left over to be written there? Any other angle? GEC. Now this angle, how to frame this angle, beta? How can you do this? How can you do this? We have one property. It is given that GH is perpendicular to BC. I mean parallel to BC. So this is a transversal. So transversal matlab ab dekho, angles found inside on the same side will be some will be equal to 180 degrees. Am I right or wrong? Now see here, this is 108. Automatically how much will be this? This will be 72 degrees. Am I right or wrong? See here, I'll draw like this. These are two parallel lines and this is a perpendicular. Now everybody know, observe there, this angle B is nothing but given as 108. So automatically sum of the angles on the same side must be equal to 180 degrees, and this must be equal to how much? 72 now. Done. Now this is 72. Matlab, oh, everything should be this 72. This must also be 72. I have framed all the angles perfectly, beta. Am I right or wrong? Yes, exactly done now. Now observe there, angle AEB is how much? Angle also 72. Now how much will be this angle? This is 108. Did I miss out anything there? This total has to be 180 degrees now. Did I miss out anything there? 72 is 144. Now this has to be 36 degrees better. This is also 36 degrees done. So AEB is 36 degrees. How much is GEA? Where is G? GEA is also 36 degrees. It is not greater. So eliminate this. DH is 36 degrees. ECD is how much ma? ECD is also 36 degrees. It is not greater. Similarly, my third option will also not be correct there. BFC is 72. How much is BEC? BFC 7. Oh no beta, right? We have done a mistake there. Yes, this is 72. How can it be 72? 36 now. We have done a mistake there. This is 36 now. Srinivas also didn't send me right. This is 72. Yes, remaining things are perfectly done. So 36 degrees. BEC how much? 36 degrees. Yes, they are not equal. And my option is none of these. Perfectly done. So, sum of the angles of a triangle should be 180 now beta. 72, 144 plus 36 should be 180. Angles are perfectly done. Come to this one. Now AG value is given as L, it seems. Okay, fine. Any other point given there? What is BF value is the question asked. Now you closely observe the triangle AGE is 36, 36, 72 and BFC are similar triangles. Will you accept with me? Yes, you should accept with me. Yes, they are true. So by this, what can I say? My triangle AGE. Observe there. I'll draw these two triangles here. Triangle AGE. This is A. This is G. This is E. Now here this is 72. This is 36. This is I'll write down side by side, then you can understand the things there. 72 degrees. Now AG value is nothing but equal to how much? X, it seems. AG value is X, it seems. And now what? Triangle BFC also better. Observe this triangle BFC. This is, let us suppose take this is B, this is C, this is F. Now 72, 72, and this is F, 36. Now closely observe that what is BC value? BC value is 1. Am I right or wrong? Any other point there that I can deduce the things there? Deduce the things there. Now, you are asked to find out BF value. BF value. Now closely observe there. AG value is similar to BC value in this angle. And closely observe there. This is BF value 3672. Now here 3672 is how much? AE value will be similar. Now AG value is X. AE value is 1. BC value is 1 because it is Pentagon na. BF value that you have to find out. How much is BF value? BF value is nothing but equal to 1 by X. So how many of you got this logic there? Perfectly done now. And my answer will be third option. Exactly filled. No issues in this calculation, right? Hope so I'm clear. So if you can frame the properties perfectly, yes, you can solve the question very, very easily. Let's come to this question. Yes, let's see how many can solve this. 2 minutes. Yeah, this is a frequent question you might have seen in many exams, many textbooks, right? Let's see how many can solve this. Any answers for this? Any answer for this? Srinivas, no answer from you. A, B, C, D. OM and P are squares of sides 8 and 7. This is 8 it seems, and this is 7. O is the center of the square. Okay, ABCD. O is the center of the square of ABCD. PQ is equal to 2. Okay. So if PQ is equal to 2, now what will be this value? This value will be 5. Am I right or wrong? Because pura side value is 7. Okay. Now find the area of the shaded region. Chalo, we'll do some. From the center of this circle O, I will drop a perpendicular here. I will drop a perpendicular here. Now, perpendicular method which will be making 90 degrees with the base there. Yes, 90 degrees with the base there. And observe there, this value is how much ma? Half of this side there 4. Now this is 4. This is 4. Now you closely observe there, Pythagorean triplet, this will be 3 now. Now if you, this is right angle, this is 4, and damn surely it has to be Pythagorean triplet only. There is no chance there, right? Even though if you take a common factor called 2, there is no other chance there. Am I right or wrong? And this has to be 5 and this has to be 3 only. There is no other chance. These two are congruent triangles. I will take down this as X. I will take down this as Y. I will take down this as Z. I'll take down this as M ho gaya na. What shall I take down? P is over X, Y, Z, W. So triangle OXW and triangle OYZ are congruent triangles. Yes, means if I push this square from Z to Y, the area that I pushed from Z to Y will be equal to area covered by from W to X. So automatically it will be become exactly 1/4. Am I right or wrong? This will become exactly 1/4. Total area of this square is ABCD is 64, and I want shaded area will be 1/4 area. 1/4 area will be how much ma? Is it 16? My answer will be option 1. So how many of you got this logic there? Perfect logic na? Yes. Let's come to the next one. Yes, let's see how many can solve this. Any answers for this here? No one. Who was a go? A circle is drawn with center P. Circle is drawn with center P and radius 4.315 centimeter it seems. Another circle drawn with center Q, which is 10 centimeter from the P. Now see, the distance between P and Q is nothing but equal to 10 it seems. such that QR is a tangent to this first circle at P. QR is radius to larger circle. Find the total area of the two circles is the question asked. Chalo, I will do one thing. Now this is nothing but called radius, and this is nothing but called your tangent. This radius and tangent will make 90 degrees by tangent perpendicularity theorem. Will you accept with me? By this, what can I say? My perpendicular sides PR square plus QR square is nothing but equal to PQ square. Now PQ square value is nothing but equal to 100. PQ is 10, 100. So I will multiply pi on both sides. If I multiply pi on both sides, you closely, is this nothing but called total area of the two circles? Am I right or wrong? Pi PR square plus pi QR square is nothing but equal to pi PQ square. Right, now let me know, is this nothing but called 100 pi? Now pi value is nothing but equal to 22 by 7. So what will be? It will be 314, I think so, right? 22 divided by 7 will be 3.14 into 100 will be equal to 314.1, and your option number 1 will be the answer. 100 pi. Many of you got this answer there? Perfectly done. Let's come to let's solve this one, then we'll come back to the previous question. Now I'll be giving you 2 minutes for this. Try this. Last question of the series here. I'll not force you apart from this. Equal, very good. Excellent here. Two circles with centers O and P in radii capital R and small r respectively, where capital R is greater than small r, intersect in points A and B as shown. AB is extended to a point called X, tangents XY and YZ or XZ are drawn to the two circles. Which of the tangents is greater in length is the question asked. Chalo. So you closely observe there. I will be taking down the first set up to here. You closely observe there, XY is tangent, AX is nothing but called secant. So by tangent secant theorem, can I write down this? By tangent secant theorem, so the upper circle centered O, tangent secant theorem, I can write down this point 1. A into X into tail end part BX is nothing but equal to XY square. By using the same tangent secant theorem, so observe this lower part. Now see here, XZ is tangent, AX is secant. So AX into BX is nothing but equal to XZ square. Now see here, AX into BX, AXZ square is nothing but equal to XY square. Automatically XY is nothing but equal to XZ. And write down this point. And my option number 3 satisfies perfectly.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now. It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With
Yeah, sorry, yaar, power gone, so that's why I have run an ad. Yeah, sorry. Observe the question there. In the given figure, find the radius of the smallest circle. If two larger circles have a radius of 1, it seems. So this point is missing 1. I'll take down this data. So let's solve this, right? So by this, I will be taking down this as center of this circle. Now, is this nothing but called radius? And this is also radius. I will take down this as center of the circle. Everybody know, as in the given data, this radius is nothing but called 1. You are asked to find out radius of the small circle. Now see here, I will take down, this is radius 1. Now this is also radius 1. Now you closely observe there. I will take down this as center of the circle. I will take down this radius as r. Now I will be taking down this. Now this is also I picked in black ink, ma. So from here to here, I'll draw a line segment there. Now closely observe there. What will be this value there? This complete value will be equal to r plus 1. Am I right or wrong? Yes. This complete value will be equal to r plus 1. Now, how much will be this value? Now, you closely observe there. From here to here, this will be exactly parallel to this radius only. Am I right or wrong? In this, what you are removing there? I am removing there this. I am removing this part. This is nothing but called r. So, from 1, I am removing the r value there. So, automatically, this value will be 1 minus r. So, by Pythagoras theorem, can I find out the answer there? Yes. So, perpendicular sides 1 square plus 1 minus r square, 1 minus r whole square is equal to 1 plus r whole square. Am I right or wrong? So calculate this 1 plus r square minus 2r is equal to 1 plus r square plus 2r. So this r square plus 1, r square plus 1 gets cancelled off. This r square plus 1, this r square plus 1 gets cancelled off. 1 is equal to 4r. And my r value is nothing but how much? R is equal to 1 by 4. So radius of the small circle is nothing but called 1 by 4. How many of you got this logic there? I hope so. I am clear regarding this. Yeah. Let's solve the next question there. Now, I'm expecting you guys to answer this question. I'll be giving you 2 minutes for this. Try this. Any answers for this beta? No one. Yeah, easy one now. You have done this question previously also once, right? In the previous year geometry series. Observe there in the figure AB. In the figure, AB is a chord of a circle with center O. It is extended to meet the diameter PQ at R. Diameter is extended, chord is extended, and they are meeting at a point called R externally, such that OB is equal to OR, it seems. So here OB line segment is equal to OR line segment. If angle ARP, this is angle ARP, is nothing but given as how much? Kx x degrees. Angle AOP is given as, now this is angle AOP. I am drawing a chord from A to, of course, AO is nothing but called radius. Now angle AOP is nothing but given as Kx degrees. Then what is the value of K is the question asked. So you closely observe the triangle OBR is an isosceles triangle. Will you accept with me? Because two sides are equal and angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. Now if this is x degrees, angle opposite to this equal side. Now this will also be x degrees. Perfectly done. Now closely observe there, this angle is nothing but called exterior angle of triangle OBR. Exterior angle of a triangle will be equal to sum of interior most opposite angles 2x degrees. And you observe triangle AOB. This is also an isosceles triangle, and they go AO is radius, OB is radius, equal sides, angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. As here angle opposite to this is 2x degrees. Now this will be 2x degrees. Now everybody knows sum of the angles of a triangle will be equal to 180 degrees. Now what will be this? This will be 180 minus 4x degrees. Now everybody know, right? Now see, sum of the adjacent angles will be equal to 180 degrees kx degrees plus 180 minus 4x degrees plus x degrees is nothing but equal to 180 degrees. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know. So 180 gets cancelled, minus 4x plus x will be 3x. So my kx degrees is nothing but equal to 3x degrees, and my k value is nothing but equal to 3. Right? Done. So how is the question there? I hope so you understood this question there. So we will continue the question series in the next class, right? So I'll come up with some more very best question series there. As you all know, I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can unlock combats using with my code NLN10. Yes, you can unlock free classes using with my code NLN10. As I said there, normally you have to invest 50 rupees a day, 75 rupees a day. So in order to get the best courses and best educators, but today and tomorrow, it will be less than that, right? You will be getting flat 20% discount with my referral code NLN10, and you will be getting free extension of months. Let us suppose that if you buy for 6 months, you will be getting 1 month extra. 12 3 months, 18 and 24 6 and 6 months extra. For iconic also you will be getting the same extension of months, not only for plus. For iconic also you will be getting same extension, and you will be getting flat 20% discount, and you will be getting printed notes there. So see the features there, and this is the best time to subscribe to Unacademy to get the best deal and to get the best quality courses, right? Damn sure. Yes. And yes, those who are aiming at only test series, do try to have this GATE Lite subscription, which will be damn helpful for your test series needs. And do try to join this community feature. On the app itself, there is an icon called community, right? You can ask your doubts regarding your preparation, regarding your subject, what. So I'll answer you 24/7. I'll be available there. I'm forwarding my notes, all the inputs, right? Whatever the classes I am taking, right? Everything I am forwarding onto the community group. Do try to interact with me, get the best, crack the best, right? And do try to join my Telegram, so special classes, right, where I am dealing the best strategy sessions, right? My strategy sessions has very huge crowd. Do try to join it, right? So the interaction will be 10x more than on YouTube here, right? So you can ask, right? You can raise your hand, and you can talk to me. All these things can be done. And yes, please do try to hit the like button, share my classes if you like it, so that I can reach to more number of audience there. More number of students will get benefited, right? If you like the session, automatically your friends also will like the things. Thank you. And subscribe to the channel, download the PDF from the Telegram groups, and hit the bell icon to get the updates there. Yes, and let's meet sharp on Monday, right? Sunday we'll take a holiday. Yes, chalo then. Bye.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.